morning to one and all. Welcome back to our maths class. Hope you are safe at home. Last week we conducted a TP lesson 1. Hope you wrote very well. Today we are going to discuss chapter 3, square and square root continuation. That is exercise 3A. Question number 7. Third sub-question. Question number 7. Third sub-question. Root of 5 plus 221 by 25 into 0.169 by 1.6. Here how to do this one? First, mixed fraction is there, 221 by 5. 221 by 5. So first make this 221 by 25 into improper. So first 5 plus, how to make mixed into improper? Whole into denominator plus numerator. So 2 into 25 plus 21 by 25. Okay, 2 into 25 plus 21 by 25 into 0.169 by 1.6, which is equal to root of 5 plus, what is 2 into 25? It is 50. 50 plus 21 by 25 into 169.169 is a decimal. Make it into fraction. That is 169 by 1000. 169 by 1000 divided by 1.6 is here, it is also a decimal. How to make it fraction? 16 by 10. 16 by 10. 0.6, 1.6. After the decimal, one place, that is 10th place. So 16 by 10, which is equal to 5 plus 71. 50 plus 21 is 71 by 25 into 169 by 1000. Here one division is there, one more division is there, this division. How to do two divisions? Multiply by reciprocal, that is into reciprocal of 16 by 10 is 10 by 16. 10 by 16. Okay. Now this is equal to root of, again here we want to find the LCM. No, here 5. This is plus 71 by 25. Here no LCM, no denominator. So find the LCM, that is cross multiply. 5 into 25 plus 71 by 25. 5 into 25 plus 71 by 25 into 169 by 100 into 1 by 16. What is 5 into 25? 5 into 25 plus 71. 5 into 25 is 125. 125 plus 71, 196. 196. So 196 by 25 into 169 by 100 into 1 by 16. 1 by 16, which is equal to root of 196 by 25, root 196 is what? Here again, see this 10, here 10, here 1000 get cancelled. 10 and 1000 get cancelled. So 169 by 100 into 1 by 16. Now root 196 is 14 by root 25 is 5. Root 25 is 5. Root 169 is 13. Root 100 is 10. Okay. And 1 by 16, root 16 is 4. So in denominator 4. Now cancellation, 14 and 10. 7 2s are 14. 5 2s are 10. 5 2s are 10. which is equal to 7 into 13 into 1, in denominator 5 into 5 into 4. 7 into 13 is 91. 5 into 5, 25. 25 into 4, 100. That is 91 by 100 equal to 0.91. 0.91. Got it? See? Okay. Next, fifth sub question. Root of 248 plus root of 52 plus root of 144. Here, root of 248 plus root 52 plus root 144. We know that what is root 144? Root 144. We know that it is 12. Root 144 is 12. Okay, root 144 is 12. So here, instead of root 144, you can write it 12. 12. Now, root 248 plus, here inside the root 52 plus 12, you know, 52 plus 12. What is 52 plus 12? 52 plus 12 is 64. Root 64. Root of 248 plus again root 64. Root 64, we know that. What is root 64? Root 64 equal to 8. 8. So, root of 248 plus 8. What is root of 248 plus 8? Root 256. Square root 256. What is root 56? 16. 16. Okay. How to do? First, root 248 plus root 52 plus root 144. Root of 52 plus root of 144. Inside the root, two more roots are there. So, first, solve the last root. That is root 144 is 12. This is inside one more root. That is root of 52 plus 12. Root of 52 plus 12 is 64. Root 64. One more root is there, you know. Root 64 is 8. So, write it here. The answer root 64, 8. Again, root is there. 248 plus 8, root 256. That is 60. Okay. Question number 2. Sub question 2 in 7. Second sub question. 0.5 cube into 6 into 3 raised to 5. Okay, how to do this? 0.5 cube into 6 into 3 raised to 5. See, 0.5 cube means 3 times. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. 3 times. 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 into 6 can be written as 3 into 2. 3 into 2. Again, 3 raised to 5 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, 5 times. 3 into 3 into 3 into, okay, 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5, 3 times. 3 into 2, 6. And 3 raised to 5 means 3, 5 times multiply. Okay. Now, this 0.5, you know, 0.5 is a decimal number, you know. We can make it into fraction. Fraction, that is 5 by 10. 0.5 is a fraction. So, it can be written as 5 by 10. And this 0.5 is 5 by 10. And this 0.5 is 5 by 10. 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by 10, 3 times. Now this 3 2s are 6, you know. I write here 2 first. 2 into 3. I arrange 2 first, then 3. Now another 5 times 3 is there, you know. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. That 5 times 3 and one more, this 3 is there, you know, in 6. 3 2s are 6. That 3 and here 5 3s are there, you know. So this 5 and this one more 3. So 6 3s are there. So make it pair. This 2, this 2 and this 2. Make a pair. This is equal to 5 by 10 into 5 by 10 into 5 by this here. This 2 and 10 get cancelled. 2 and 10. 5 2s are 10. Okay, 1 2s are 2, 5 2s are 10. That is 5 by 5 now. It is 5 by 5 into this 1 into 3 into 3 3 square, 3 into 3 3 square, this 3 into 3 3 square, which is equal to root of 5 into 5 25, 10 into 10 100. Okay, this 5 and this 5 get cancelled. 5 by 5 is 1. 5 by 5 is 1. Okay, and this one is here. 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. Again, root of 25 by 100 into 1 into 1, 1 square. Okay, 1 into 1, 1 square. This 3 square, 3 square, 3 square. Now, what is root 25? 5. What is root 100? What is this root 25? 5. Root 100, 10. Now 1 square we know that 1 itself. Now this root 3 square 3. Root 3 square 3. Root 3 square 3. Okay, root and root 3 square means 9, you know. Root 9 is 3 itself. Okay, root 9 3. Now this 5 into 3 into 3 into 3. 5 into 3 into 3 into 3 is 135. 135 by 10. 135 by 10. What is 135 by 10? 13.5. We can write this 13.5. Okay, 13.5. Otherwise, here itself we can cancel. 1 5s are 5, 2 5s are 10. Anyway, you will get the same answer. Clear? Next, question number 9. See, before that, look at question number 8. All of you look at question number 8. A man, after a tour, finds that he had spent every day as many rupees as the number of days he had been on tour. How long did his tour last if he had spent in all rupees 1296? This question. See, that man, every day he spent as many rupees as the number of days he had been on tour. So, a particular number into that number, we got 1296 rupees. So, here you directly find the square root of 1000. Directly find the square root of 1296. Eighth question, very simple. Directly find the square root of 1296. Now we are going to discuss ninth question. Out of 745 students, maximum are to be arranged in a school field for a PT display such that the number of rows is equal to the number of columns. Find the number of rows if 16 students were left out after the arrangement. See, in total number of students are 745, and for a PT display, the students were arranged in a way that number of rows is equal to number of columns. That means equal number of rows and equal number of columns. That means it's a square number. We already know number of rows and number of columns equal than square number. For example, 5 rows and 5 columns. How many students are there? 5 5s are 25. 8 columns and 8 rows. That means 8 into 8, 64. And 6 rows and 6 columns means 6 6 are 36. That is, it's a square number. But here 745 students are there. They arrange the students such a way that number of columns and rows are equal, but 16 students were left after the arrangement. After the arrangement, 16 students were left because they are not included in the row. Because why? Because if the 16 students are included, it's not become the number rows of and columns are equal. If 16 students are included in that row or column, it should be not equal. Number of rows should not be equal to number of columns. That's why they exclude that 16 students. So how to do the problem? First step is total number of students 745. Total number of students 745. Number of students left is equal to 16. Number of students left after the arrangement. Number of students left after the arrangement is 16. So we want to subtract 16 from 745. Number of students included in this arrangement. How many students are included? 745 minus 16. 745 minus 16, which is equal to 729. That means only 729 students are included in the arrangement because 16 students are excluded in that row. Total 745 students are there in the school, and out of that they arranged such a way that number of columns and rows are equal, but 16 students are not included. If we included, the rows and columns should not be equal. It's not equal. That's why they exclude 16 students from the arrangement. That's why we want to subtract 745 minus 16. That means 16 students are not included in the arrangement. So how many students are in this arrangement? Only 729 students. How many students are included? Only 729. Okay, number of students included in this arrangement is 729. Therefore, number of rows, that is the question. Number of rows is equal to root 729. We know that number of rows and number of columns are equal. Therefore, number of rows is equal to columns. Both are equal, root of 729. Do the prime factorization of 729. In 729, 3 is stable, 7 plus 2, 9, 9 plus 9, 18. 18 is a multiple of 3. So it is going on 3 stable. 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So it is 12. In 12, 4 3s are 12. In 9, 3 3s are 9. Again with 3. 24. 8 3s are 24. 1 3s are 3. Again 3. 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 2, 8. 21. In 21, 7 times. Again 3. 9 3s are 27. In 9, 3 3s are 9. 3 by 3, 1. So this is equal to 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 6 3s are there. 6 times. So we can arrange this 3 into 3, this 3 square, and this 3 into 3, 3 square. Again this 3 into 3, 3 square. Okay. So root of 3 square into 3 square into 3 square. Root 3 square is 3. Root 3 square is 3. 3 square 9, root 9 3. 3 3. 3 into 3, 9. 9 3s are 27. So the answer is 27. 27. Number of rows 27. Clear? Next, 10th question you can do yourself. That is 13 and 31 is a strange pair of numbers such that their squares 169 and 961 are also mirror images of each other. That means here you see here. See 13, 31. 13 square is 161 and 31 square is 961. 161, 961. Just reverse these two numbers. 13, if we reverse 13, it is 31, And if we interchange the place value of 169, it is 961. Same way you can find other pairs. Okay. Same way you can find other pairs. Now 11th question's answer is in the text itself. But I will explain that one. Find the smallest perfect square divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Smallest perfect square divisible by 3, 4, 5, 6 means which is the number? It should be a perfect square. Okay, divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6 together. 3, 4, 5 and 6 together. Which is that smallest perfect square? For finding that, first find the LCM of 3, 4, 5 and 6. How to find the LCM? 3, 4, 5, 6. 3. In 3, 1 3s are 3, 4 is not going, so bring down, 5 is not going. In 6, 2 3s are 6. Again with the 2. 1 in 4, 2 times, 5 is not going, 2 1 time. Again by 2. 1, 2 by 2, 1, 5 is not going, so bring down and 1. In 5, 1 1 1 1. Okay, so 3 into 2 into 2 into 5 is 60. But 60, we know that 60 is not a perfect square. 60 is a smallest number that is divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. But we want to find the perfect square number. 60 is not a perfect square. Now pair the numbers. Here 3 into 2 into 2 into 5, you know. These 2 2s are there, you know, make it a pair. These 2 2s make a pair. That is 3 into 2 square into 5 equal to 60. And here 3 and 5 has no pair, you know. 3 and 5 has no pair. How to make this 3 and 5 pair? Multiply this 3 into 1 more 3. And this 5 into 1 more 5. Okay. This 3 into 3, 5 into 5. That is 3 and 5 has no pair. So multiply 1 more 3 and 5. 3 5s are 15. So the answer into 15, that is 60 is our LCM. 60 into 15, 900. 900 is the smallest perfect square divisible by 3, 4, 5 and 6. Is 900 a perfect square? Yes. If you want, you can check it. Root 900. What is root 900? Root 900 is 30. 3 3s are 9, you know. Here 2 0. So in answer 1 0. That is root 900 is 30. Therefore 900 is a perfect square. Okay. Clear. Next 12th question. If root 784 is 28, find the value of. Second question. Root of 0.0784 plus root of 0.000784. Okay, already we know that when a square number, what relation between a square and square root. Here 784 is 28. Root 784 is 28. But here decimal is there, you know. After the decimal, count the place. 1, 2, 3, 4 places. In square root, root of 0.0784. Here 4 decimal places are there. So in root, how many decimal places are there? Just half. That is 2 decimal places are there. 2. That is 28 is the answer, you know. 28 can be written as, put 2 decimal places. 1, 2. Okay, that is 0.28 plus. Here root of 0.000784. How many places after the decimal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 decimal places are there. Square root of 784, we know that 28. So 28 is the square root of 784. So 0.000784 is here 6 decimal places. So after in the answer only 3 decimal places. 3. Okay, 3. So how to write 28 as 3 decimal places? 0.028. 0.028. 1, 2, 3 decimal places, you know. Now add it. 0.28 plus 0.028 is equal to 0.308. How to add? 0.028 plus 0.28. Okay. This is the method to add. 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 1 carry over. 2 plus 1 3. Okay, 0.308 is the answer. Now mark the homeworks. Exercise 3a. In 7th question 1 and 4, 8th, 10th, 12th first question. Okay, in 7th question 1 and 4. Okay, 1 and 4. And 8th, 10th and 12th one first question. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day.